Add various photo reels. Set up your scenes. Take your photos. Insert new photos. Delete others. Define a pause in a given position. Specify a time-lapse duration from one scene to another in seconds. Also specify the duration for the clip. The software automatically creates a video from the single photos. You can now record the video to file. Set the frame rate. The resolution. A path and file name. The video can now be viewed in playback with your media player application.